opportunity to see our industry members who have exhibits next door, have a chance for good professional interchange in between everybody, and I think this will be an extremely beneficial experience for all.
We had upcoming a number of meetings that we're looking at. This is where y'all can provide your insight. If you have a suggestion for what a topic of a meeting ought to be, what the subject matter ought to be, or who the participants ought to be.
Now, there are zealots out there that believe, well, commonality is the slave, everything's got to be common. I'm all for common capability. I'm not necessarily for common hardware. I'm here for interoperability of capabilities, not necessarily common hardware.
Frankly, though we are coming out of an irregular warfare environment, I would contend to you that our demand for ISR on the land side remains the same, or perhaps even increasing.
Again, my hat's off to all of you here today, industry, and those in the military that are out here for what you do. Quad A, Bill, Danny, thanks again for putting on another great event like this and giving me the opportunity to come out and share some time with all of you and see a bunch of old friends again. And but more importantly, to be part of recognizing 3 great Americans here and their families.